Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write a job application letter for a window cleaner position. I'll guide you through the sample letter piece by piece, explain what each part means, and help you understand why those details matter so you can write your own professional and effective application. A job application letter is a formal letter you send to an employer to introduce yourself and explain why you're a good fit for a specific position. It's not just about writing your experience, it's about showing professionalism, clarity, confidence, and your ability to communicate. For a window cleaner job, this letter becomes even more important because employers need people they can trust to work safely, deliver quality results, and represent their company well in customers' homes and businesses. Now, let's go through the sample letter from the top, beginning with the applicant's information. James Holloway, 2198 Willow Bend Court, Nashua, NH 03062. Email james.holloway@email.com. Phone 603-7714829. This section appears at the top left corner of the letter. It shows your full name, address, email, and phone number. This is important because employers need quick access to your contact information when reviewing applications. Make sure your email looks professional and avoid using nicknames or casual usernames. Double-check that all information is current so you never miss an interview call or important company message. Next, we include the date, September 15th, 2026. Adding the date may seem simple, but it shows professionalism. It helps the employer track when you submitted the letter and keeps your application organized, especially when a company is hiring multiple positions at once. A letter without a date can look incomplete, so always include it. Now, let's look at the employer's details. Hiring manager, Clearview Glass and Maintenance Services, 4475 Brookline Avenue, Manchester, NH 03101. This part shows who you're addressing the letter to. If you know the hiring manager's name, you can include it, but hiring manager is completely acceptable. Including the company name and address also shows that your letter is written specifically for them, not just copied and pasted. Employers appreciate that effort, and it builds a positive first impression. Next is the subject line. Subject: application for window cleaner position. A subject line is useful because it tells the employer right away what role you're applying for. It helps them sort applications easily and ensures your letter doesn't get mixed up with others. Think of it as a quick headline that keeps everything organized. Now we arrive at the salutation, which is extremely important. Dear Hiring Manager, this greeting sets the tone. It's polite, professional, and appropriate if you don't know the name of the person reviewing the application. Always avoid casual greetings in formal letters. No hi, hello, or hey, because those can sound unprofessional in a job application. Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and proper choice. Now let's get into the first main paragraph of the letter. I am writing to express my interest in the window cleaner position at Clearview Glass and Maintenance Services. With over 3 years of experience in residential and commercial window cleaning, I am confident in my ability to deliver efficient, streak-free results and dependable service to your clients. This paragraph is important because it introduces your intention and highlights your experience right away. Employers don't want to search through the entire letter to figure out why you're writing. They want clarity from the first sentence. Mentioning 3 years of experience immediately tells them you're not a beginner. Stating that you can provide streak-free results shows you understand what quality window cleaning requires. Employers appreciate confidence, and this paragraph gives them a strong first impression of your abilities. Now we move to the second main paragraph. In my previous role at North Point Cleaning Solutions, I handled tasks such as ladder-based cleaning, water-fed pole operation, glass detailing, and maintenance of cleaning tools. I am trained in safety procedures, including fall protection and equipment inspection, and I consistently maintain high standards of cleanliness and customer satisfaction. This section is extremely important because it gives specific examples of what you're capable of. Listing tasks like ladder-based cleaning and water-fed pole operation shows that you're familiar with the equipment commonly used in the industry. Mentioning safety training is vital. Window cleaning can involve heights, slippery surfaces, and heavy tools. Employers want to hire someone who works safely, responsibly, and follows procedure. Explaining that you maintain customer satisfaction also proves you understand the importance of professional service. This paragraph shows not just what you've done, but that you can handle real responsibilities. Next, we look at the third main paragraph. I am known for my reliability, attention to detail, and ability to work both independently and as part of a team. Clearview's reputation for professionalism and quality service is highly appealing to me, and I am eager to contribute my skills and strong work ethic to your company. This paragraph is important because it connects your personality and values to the company's goals. Employers don't just look for skills, they also want people who fit well with their team and company culture. Highlighting qualities like reliability and attention to detail shows that you take pride in your work and that you understand what makes a window cleaner successful. Complimenting the company's reputation shows that you've done your research and are genuinely interested in working for them. This makes your application feel personal and sincere. Next, we have the final paragraph of the letter. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached anytime by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. This paragraph is important because it signals your professionalism and willingness to move forward. You politely express interest in an interview without sounding demanding. You also give the employer clear options to reach you. Ending with a thank you is respectful and leaves the reader with a positive impression. The closing of the letter is, Sincerely, Signature, James Holloway. This closing is appropriate, formal, and clean. Sincerely is the most standard and widely accepted closing for business letters. If submitting a printed copy, remember to sign above your typed name. Now, before we finish, here are general tips to help you write a strong window cleaner job application letter. Always focus on practical skills. Window cleaning is a detail-oriented job, so talk about accuracy, customer service, and safety. Avoid writing long, complicated sentences. Keep your message clear and professional. And always tailor your letter to the specific company. Show them why they are the place you want to work. A personalized letter always stands out more than a generic one. And that's how you write a job application letter for a window cleaner position. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more step-by-step guides here on Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.